It's my first day here, and today I'm just gonna walk around and see the area. It's early in the morning, so it's too cold for swimming right now. I'm gonna go back to the beach maybe later or tomorrow, but today it's a Miami South walking tour. Hello! So I ended up taking a bus tour around Miami Beach and the city of Miami. So this is South Beach, and the colors of the buildings are very characteristic for this area that is called Art District. They have very pale colors, light yellows, light blue, light pink, and light greens. You can see these skyscrapers are very high, and they have a lot of hotels here that are very close to the beach. This is, for example, Ocean Plaza. They even had a hotel with my name on it. It was a yellow pale building. This one, that's called Leslie. This is the Versace Mansion. And just some other random buildings with beautiful colors. Okay, so we're driving over one of the bridges that connects the island of South Beach to the downtown. And the cruise ship that you can see here on the left is one of the world's biggest cruise ships. It looks normal, but if you compare it with skyscrapers behind it, you will get a better feeling of the size. I think it looks beautiful with the water and the skyscrapers. I really liked Miami. So this is Cocoa Grove. where a lot of rich and famous people live. They have beautiful big houses. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a like if you like this video and subscribe to my channel to see my future traveling videos. And yes, have a nice day. Bye.